Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and advance Eid Mubarak to you all. So I did this look the other day and I wanted to share it with you all for Eid. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off with preparing my face for the makeup. So I'm moisturizing my face with the Love's Deep Moisturizing Cream and I'm nicely lathering it up in my face. And then I am going in with the Rose Serum Primer from Love's and lathering it up in my face nicely too. Then now it's time for the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using the Love's Rose Serum Foundation and I'm using the shade Golden Beige. It seemed a tad bit light, but it ended up matching well after I did the contour and everything. So it ended up looking nice. So I'm applying the foundation with the help of a beauty sponge and I'm just dabbing it on, and I will also drag it a little bit on my neck area too, because sometimes if you don't actually drag it on your neck area and if the neck is visible, it might look like you are wearing a mask. So I didn't want that, so I'm just doing that right here. And after that, I will be taking a liquid lipstick from Love's. This is the shade Pink Berry and I am using it as a blush. You can also sometimes use your liquid lipsticks as blush too, and I'm just applying it and you can see it gives such a nice rosy flush to your skin. I extremely love the effect. And then I did use my Juvia's Place concealer, but I forgot to take the footage of it. So this is me highlighting my face and I used two shades. I used 20 and 16, I guess. I mixed them both because 16 is quite like my skin tone and 20 is a bit too light. So I just wanted to do that. And after that, I did set my face and then I just moved on to the eye makeup. So here I am using my P. Louise base, and this is a collaborated base with Mama Mitchell. This is the shade Nitro, and this is from the Acid Rain collection. And you can see I'm just creating a shape with it, and it's like a very cat eye kind of shape. It's like a liner but covering your entire lid. So this is going to be the base of the eye look, and it's very important that you map out your shade. It's very important that you map out your shape. And then I am using this Beauty Bay palette. This is a very beautiful palette, and this is the Age of Opulence palette. From this one, I'm taking the darker shade of teal color with the help of a Real Technique brush, and I am just dabbing it on the outer portion of my wing. Then I am taking the lighter shade from the palette, that is the lighter teal color that was available in the palette. After that, I am taking this Kaima Cosmetics glitter, and by using this, I am going to be preparing my eye to adhere the glitter that I will apply next. So you can use any glitter glue that you have. You can use the NYX one too. That's another great product that you can use. And then the showstopper of this eye look is another Glamscape pigment. I have used one in my previous video too. So this is another one. This is from their Fairy Tale collection, I guess, in the shade Prism, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is the shade Prism, and you can see it's so beautiful. It's so multidimensional. It's just amazing. I love this sort of glitters. I love the Kaima Cosmetic glitters. I love the Glamscape ones. These are just the best thing ever. It just makes your eye look out of this world, you know. And if you want to see how I actually apply or what technique should one use regarding to apply this sort of flaky pigments, then you can watch my Kaima Cosmetics review video. You will get the gist in that video. And here I'm taking a maroon kind of shade to tie out the look, and I'm applying it in my lower lash line. And then we are going in with a Girl eye pencil that is in the shade, it's sort of an aqua color, and I don't remember the shade completely. And then taking the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Then I'm using this P. Louise eyeshadow base, and this is their shimmery eyeshadow base. This is the metallic ones. I'm using this one to highlight my inner corner and also my lower lash line a tad bit to kind of give the eye look a little bit of extra oomph. So this is how I did it. And 1, 2, 3, we are done. I'm wearing my lashes here. And let's move back to the face. So this is a blush. I actually did not get the footage of contouring my face. I think I lost it somewhere. But this is the Focalure blush that I'm applying. And here is another bomb product. This is the Juvia's Place highlighter in the shade Nefertiti, and this was actually a gift from Gogo Gorgeous. And oh my god, this highlighter is so beautiful. So definitely, if you're looking for a very pigmented loose kind of highlighter, go for the Juvia's Place highlighters. I highly do recommend them. They look extremely beautiful, and it's very buttery. And then I'm just lining my lips with the peach lip liner from ColourPop. This was from the collection Truth or Bear collection. Yeah, I have the entire set, so it was from that one. And then I went with Love's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Spiced Ginger, and I am just applying it to finish off my look. And yeah, I'm almost done. This is the entire look. So this is the final look, and I know it's very extra, and you know I'm extra, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it's very easy and you can do it in a very short time. Plus you can do it with so many colors, and you'll be able to kind of pull it off, and you don't even have to worry about blending and stuff like that. It's very easy. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new in my channel, make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me in my other social media accounts, and I'll be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.